Is it just me or is it most lights you buy in a hardware store are not very good? Well, this is something new from VONT on Amazon. That's VONT.com, model number VNT22 or VNTSS2X. Quick unboxing here. Of course, these are solar powered, ambient light sensor, IPX7 rating. Now, one thing I noticed here, you can get up to 12 hours of brightness at night in the low light mode with the 2000 milliamp battery. So 50 lumens low light mode, 100 lumens in the high light mode with the included rechargeable batteries, one each on both light sensor. So the 12 hours is pretty good if that's actually accurate. Not bad at all. Okay, well, let's take a look in the box and see what we have. This is a 2-pack, of course. And you have a card here that says, thank you for your purchase from VONT. You should activate this for your lifetime warranty. You flip it around, it says, hey, exclusive discounts and hugs. It actually says hugs. We could all use more hugs, right? All right, some mounting screws. Looks like, what, 4 screws there for the first one? I think it just takes 2. But anyway, here's a second welcome card. Join the Insider Club for the exclusive deals and, yeah, for your lifetime warranty. I do appreciate the very simple, user-friendly instructions here. Just a little packet booklet. Well, it's not even a booklet, but yeah, push the power button on. Push it twice to change the light mode, low and high brightness. So thank you, VONT, for very simple instructions. Again, very, very user-friendly. Let's take a look at the lights themselves. All right, so LED, of course. It looks like we have a swivel mount here with the lock plastic wheel there. There's the first stake there to stick it into the ground. Basic stuff. You've probably seen this before. I guess some extra screws for the second one. Thank you. All right, so there's 2 plastic guides. You can barely see them here, but it just slides right in there, and you don't have to screw the stake into the light itself in this mode. Now, here's the second one. Now, what I noticed about these lights, the solar panels are huge. I mean, they're huge. And these lights, if they last 12 hours, you can probably use these as emergency lights. So there's the power button there. You push it once for low light, push it twice for high brightness mode. For example, all right, so I pushed it once. Okay, so that's low light. And you can tell by the 4K camera sensor flickering on the Motorola phone. There's high light mode. And let's see, low lights. And you can tell by the flickering it's low in the highlight mode. So, yeah, there definitely is a difference. Not much, but there is a difference. So either 6 hours, 12 hours there in low light, or 6 hours in high light mode. Check out VONT on Amazon.